Got a ticket to nowhere. Come and fly away with me tonight. Can you stay till the morning? Can you tell me that everything's alright? Lose my mind and I'm falling for you.
On this video, we'll be adding a second battery for the sound system. So we have a subwoofer here with an output of up to 2000 watts. So running it to the main battery would be overworking it. It can work, but if you need to add more than one amplifier, then it's just wise enough to add a second battery so you can be able to have those two separated. So we have this Kinetic brand. So in this video we'll just be connecting it. So here's the battery. I don't have anything to actually test it, but I'm gonna trust it and just hope it's okay. So it comes with these bolts over here just to connect inside, and then you can be able to run any cables on top of it. So of course you have the positive and the negative, and I think these are more bolts for anything you're running. These are probably connectors. I did buy some different ones on the side, and actual ground cable that I'm gonna ground it to, and this is just for the power cable to connect it to anything I want to connect it. So we'll just run everything and then ground it and connect it to the power cable so we can link it to the main battery. So next thing would be so once you have this easy, you just place them inside, screw them. I think this is if you do not have these extensions over here, then you just bolt these ones inside and then have your connections in here. If you want to have this inside, then so be it, but this I need to use it to, if I have another amplifier, I would have the subwoofer and the other amplifier here. So and also now, since I have it connected to this is going to be, one of them is going to be to the front battery, and then the other one would be to the amplifier or the subwoofer. So I've just decided to bolt it before I connect it to the battery. That's easier because of the tight spot, because of the angle of the battery. So this will be easier. I'll just do the ground and the power cables and then connect them to the battery before moving forward. So both positive and negative terminals are in. I will just move it to the car and ground this and connect the positive to the fuse that goes to the amplifier, and then connect another connection, have another connection from here to the main battery that will also have another fuse.
You know we out here riding, chasing the horizon with you. I don't need to look no further. You are the one I'm certain, only one that I behold.
So from the rear side of the subwoofer, we'll have the this is the power cable that will go to this one over here. Will be going to from the subwoofer to the battery, and then we'll have this other cable from the main battery would go to another fuse and into the battery that we just added. So I will use this one string just to connect all of them, this one cable. So this fuse is already connected, the other one came off, it was connected here, but that's an easy fix. And then we'll mount them over here, same as this strings over here that you see. So we'll just have it organized, the sound cables on one side and the power cables on the other side, so it's a bit organized and clean. So let's just connect the power cables, and with that we'll be done with these connections.
When you're loving me, it goes like look no further, look no further. Look no further, it goes like look no further, look no further. Look no further, it goes like I never thought I'd find it. A love that feels so perfect, I can't even word it. Yeah, you make me lift up from the ground. I believe that we are more, all the world is looking for. Show them all we got it. Never look back, never let go. I don't need to look no further. You are the one I'm certain, only one that I be holding. When you're loving me, it goes like
So now we have this power cable run from here to here, and that would go into this fuse over here, and then this would go to the new battery.
look no further, look no further. Look no further, it goes like look no further, look no further. Look no further, it goes like I believe that we are more, all the world is looking for. Show them all.
Lastly, we'll have the power cable with the fuse from the subwoofer connected to this cable over here. No need to. We'll just have this connected to this connector, and then this would go to this connector over here, this harness, into the battery. So we have separate connections. We have this fuse protecting the subwoofer from any shots from the battery, and then you have this other fuse protecting the battery from any shots from the main battery.
Never look back, never let go. I don't need to look no further. You are the one I'm certain, only one that I be holding. When you're loving me, it goes like look no
then now we'll just ground this somewhere inside here. There should be some bolts in here that we can ground the battery. So what you need to do is just sand it a bit, make it clean, make it nice. Then now we can run it. It's not too long, but we might be able to get away with it. Thing would be to connect this there and just it will be done. Last step is the battery that we ran through, the cable that we ran through the firewall to the engine. So we'll just to the hood. So we'll just connect this harness to this one and connect it to the power cable over here, and we'll get a better harness here that can hold multiple cables. So we'll just connect this over here and we'll be done with the installation. I used this harness just so I can have it separated well, like that one. So as you see, I have this all the way here, and then I have this one to the subwoofer. So that's the benefits of an extra battery. So if you're planning on adding another amplifier, you can just add it over here, you know, or maybe get a bigger or a harness with more connections. So you can just add them on, and then you have a fuse that's going to protect this battery from the main battery, and any other fuse to any other, like I have a fuse to this subwoofer. If you want to see how I install this subwoofer, please, the link will be in the description, check it out. And that's how you install a secondary battery. So subscribe to the channel, watch the previous videos. I'm going to put a link on the previous videos on other installations in the car, like the tweeters, the speakers, subwoofers I mentioned. The link for the battery will be in the description too, so please get it on Amazon. Use the link in the description. Thank you for tuning in. See you on the next one.